Yeah, so, and then that's where you, access the fire hose.
Wow.
And then you lift there in case of a fire and pull down, and activates the system. And I'm not sure what type of bells these are, but in my Renfrew school, we had bells and they were loud. Continuous.
Yeah, they just like ding a ding 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 ding. You turn the sound off for these, right?
What?
Do you turn the sound off for these?
No, because my viewers want to see, right?
Okay. So they can hear me?
Yeah. Is that okay?
Yeah. Hi, YouTube.
You want? Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
This is one of my best friends, Ethan.
Right. Should I be okay?